साथ जो मार्वलस महिला जुड़ने वाली है उनका नाम टिम्सी बेक्टर है। तो मैम से सुनते हैं मैम के बारे में। हाँ जी मैम, थोड़ा कुछ बताएं अपने बारे में।
Thank you so much, Man Mahilaka, for inviting me here. I'm really delighted. I'm Timsi Bector, a proud wife of an army officer and mother of two beautiful fairies, 11 years and 5 years old. And I'm working online. I've got my online forum, VTL, Vigor Transforming Lives. As the name itself reflects, I've got a passion and interest of spreading health and fitness and transforming people's lives. And being married to an army officer, I got a chance to be a part of our biggest NGO in army. And I've been assisting people, my friends, my family, in achieving their fitness goals and in spreading awareness about health and fitness and busting many myths for the last about 13 years now. And I'll keep doing it free of cost, and because that's my passion, and I'll keep doing it. And then there was one point when my family, my friends, my husband, and I don't want to miss out the name, my brother and my co-sister, my brother-in-law's wife, they pushed me forward that I can pursue it as a regular profession. I should pursue it forward. And then there was a turn in my journey. That was a new turn, a new life in my journey. And then I launched my online venture and I started working through my Facebook page, through Instagram, and through YouTube channel. I started spreading awareness about health and fitness, and I started writing many articles about it also, and getting it published also, and these are easily available on my Facebook page. So that was a new journey, a new phase in my life, and from there I started doing it professionally. So this was about me.
Great, ma'am. We would like to know more about your challenges. You must have faced some challenges as a woman.
Yeah, sure. Challenge is something that really needs courage and motivation to accept and then execute.
Yeah.
And in my case, the biggest challenge was myself. I was the biggest challenge for myself, because being an army officer's wife, so many questions, so many doubts used to float around my mind. Will I be able to come out of my comfort zone and do something? Because comfort zone that you call being in army, that comfort zone itself is not very comfortable for army wives. Our life is always very uncertain, full of so many unpredictabilities, and we are already shouldering so many responsibilities at home front, social responsibilities, and above all, you have to be a pillar of strength for your husband, for your family at all the time. So coming out of that phase and interacting in the civil part, it was itself a challenge. And the second challenge was my own fitness. So I had my one diagnostic surgery and two cesareans. So on and whole, I had got 3 abdominal surgeries, a degenerated backbone, so many hormonal issues, weak bones. I couldn't do anything much about my obese health. But being a knowledgeable person in that field, I tried my best. I used to think, if I really want to spread this thing, I should be fit myself. I have to overcome these hassles. So while working on that track, I realized that multitasking is really a very narrower concept. Knowingly or unknowingly, we have already been doing multitasking in many ways in our lives, and we have got the potential to do much more than that. That was what I learned from my stage, and that was the biggest challenge in my life. I accepted each challenge, and then it got converted into opportunities and a learning phase too. And I really started enjoying that thing and busting many myths. And I got along so many people along with me that yes, we can do it. This is not a challenge. We have that in us. We have the potential.
That's an inspirational one. Coming to the third part, ma'am, we would like to know any inspirational figure you admire most and you want to share with us.
Yes, I don't want to miss on that part. I already have got such a support system, such a huge support system. My father used to be a national weightlifter and bodybuilder. He used to be a champion in his times. Being a Fauji's wife, my Fauji always used to push me up and say, "You are my Shera. Fauji ki बीवी किसी से नहीं डरती. You can move forward and do many things." But still, there are some times in life, in everybody's life, when you feel very down, when you feel low, when you feel like giving up, when you are exhausted. During those times, the one person that used to come in my mind, Just a thought of that person inspires me so much. And that one person is my mother. She used to be an educationist, an entrepreneur in her times. She used to be a social activist, and then she suffered from breast cancer. That was a big traumatic phase in our lives, but I've seen her courage. I've seen her dealing with that part so gracefully that even a thought of her courage that inspires me so much that my problems are nothing before her. If she can come out of this, why can't I? So she is my biggest inspiration in my life.
That's very nice. Any social change you want to mention here?
Yeah, while coming out of army and then working in civil, I have seen society is evolving also. But
Mhm.
I want to address society. Social change should be on part of each and every individual. The first thing is that being a woman, I want to convey that don't try to create a support system for women. They don't need any support. Just try to
Mhm.
acknowledge the fact that women are working. Just try to appreciate their work. If women are working, you see, you pick up any profession these days. Women are pilots. We have got lady officers in army. Women are on toll plazas. Women are working in petrol pumps. Women are driving the cabs. Women are the
Yes.
CEOs of big companies. So
Yes.
you just have to acknowledge the fact. You just need to appreciate the fact that they are working. They also have got a personal space. You are not
Mhm.
supposed to enter or touch that personal space. If they are
Mhm.
working, they are coming out of their homes. That doesn't mean
Mhm.
that they are easily accessible or available to anybody. They are just doing their job. They are professionals. They are enjoying it. They are already contributing so much to our society. This is at least we can do for the women working out there. So this is really
Such a
required,
noble
and that
cause.
support system will naturally build up.
Any
Yeah,
message? Any?
to all the queens out there, you are already empowered. You are already wearing an invisible crown on your head. Just lift your chin up high and adjust that crown, and you can do wonders in your life. You should take care of your fitness, your health, your mental peace, first of all, because you are the creator, you are the nurturers of human race. Try to understand that fact. God has empowered you with so many potential. You just need to explore that hidden potential, and you can do wonders in your life. Just take care of yourself and remain connected to each other. Get connected to other women. We are there. Man Mahila Kai is there. I'm there with my Facebook page open to all. Get connected to me through VTL, Vigor Transforming Lives, or on Instagram with the name Tim C. Bector, on YouTube with the name Tim C. Bector. You will find a lot of things that can really transform your life. There's so much of free material floating out there in the form of videos and text and articles. Thank you so
Okay.
much.
Thank you once again, ma'am. It was lovely having you